We came up with a fantastic plan to ride the length of the Outer Hebrides from the most southern point of Barra to the north of Lewis. The route involved multiple ferries and causeways which connect the islands. This is the Northwest Causeway, which we crossed soon after arriving on Southwest. We started the ride mid-afternoon after arriving on the ferry from Oban. As you can see, we had some brilliant weather and the roads were near empty. After a couple of hours of riding, we stopped at a shop to buy some dinner. A few salmon rolls and local pastries later, we continued northbound. We continued on in the evening sun with the aim to reach Stornoway before it got dark. Soon we reached the Northwest Causeway. With a low sun, it made for a rather scenic crossing.
That's us crossed another island. We're making incredible progress, I would say. We're going to catch up with some cyclists and we're going to smoke them in a drag race. It's very, very fast indeed.
After a few more miles, we reached our camping spots just as it was getting dark, and we settled down for the night.
So this is where I slept last night, and Philip got cold in the night, so he went into that bunkhouse over there. Yeah, look how proud he looks.
Honestly, if I had not gone inside, I would be the most miserable man you would have ever met.
How was your sleep inside?
It wasn't good, but like when I heard the rain at 5 AM, did you hear that?
I did.
Nah, yeah, look at yourself. Look how fresh you look.
Yeah.
We packed up and rolled down to the harbour to catch the morning ferry to Harris. For breakfast, we filled up with bacon and haggis rolls from the Butty Bus in Leverborough.
Lovely roads, wonderful scent, lovely weather. Flying along, it's actually really, really fast this route. It's currently 22 degrees.
We're about, what, 10 kilometres from Stornoway?
Yeah.
Where we'll stop for some lunch.
We rolled into Stornoway at around 1 PM and stopped at a shop to buy some food. The plan from here was to ride the remaining 50 kilometres to the most northern point and then turn around and ride back to Stornoway where we can stay the night.
We're now going to the butt, which is confusingly at the top. And there is the Bus of Lewis. It's pretty much the end of the ride. Well, we still need to get back to Stornoway in a bit of a grim headwind.
The lovely tailwind which we'd been enjoying all day now came back to bite us. With tired legs, we turned around to face the headwind back to Stornoway.
We are now in the headwind section. It's very windy, very miserable, very exposed, and very slow.
2 hours later.
We have finished.
Sure have.